Welcome to Prime Picks Lab. The best bathrobe belt is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of a comfortable and functional bathrobe. But when that belt frays, tears, or simply goes missing, it can really diminish the robe's usability. In this video, we'll dive into the world of bathrobe belt replacements, helping you find the perfect match to restore your robe to its former glory. Number 5. Sintege Terry Cloth Hotel Bathrobe Belt. Tired of your old, worn-out belt? This replacement belt is the perfect solution. It's designed to fit most robes and will instantly refresh your favorite loungewear. Made from soft, absorbent white cotton terry cloth, this belt feels great against your skin. It's ideal for use after a shower or relaxing at home. Whether you're a hotel guest or planning a wedding, this belt adds a touch of luxury. It's a simple way to elevate the experience for your guests or yourself. This belt is suitable for both women and men. Its classic design and comfortable material make it a versatile accessory for anyone. Measuring 71 by 2 inches, this belt provides a secure and comfortable fit. It's the perfect length to keep your robe closed and you feeling cozy. What we like? This belt is made of cotton terry cloth, offering a comfortable and absorbent experience. It's designed with hotel quality in mind, ensuring durability and a luxurious feel. If you are looking for a replacement belt that combines comfort and durability, especially for everyday use, you should consider this one. What people say. This is nicely made and exactly 70 inches. Perfect for a robe that I ordered that came with a tiny robe belt. Bought to replace the one that came with my robe. This one is thick and great quality for little cost. Great, strong product. Highly recommended. Number 4. Women's Soft Plush Pajamas Bathrobe Replacement Belt. Indulge in unparalleled comfort with this plush bathrobe. It's designed to wrap you in warmth and softness, making it perfect for relaxing after a long day. Crafted from high-quality flannel, this bathrobe offers a gentle touch against your skin. The material is both cozy and durable, ensuring long-lasting comfort. This is a replacement belt for your favorite bathrobe. It's the perfect solution to keep the robe securely closed, providing both functionality and style. The wrap tie waist allows for a customized fit. You can easily adjust it to your preferred level of comfort and security, ensuring it stays in place. This bathrobe combines elegance with practicality. It's a stylish addition to your loungewear collection, offering both comfort and a touch of sophistication. What we like? This belt features soft plush flannel, providing a cozy and warm feel. It's perfect for those seeking ultimate comfort and relaxation. If you like a belt that enhances the warmth of your bathrobe, especially during colder months, you should consider it. What people say. This sash is as soft and useful as the original robe tie was. It is way better than the cord that was my second robe tie. Lost the belt on my current robe, worked great as a replacement. Number 3. Robe Belt Replacement Soft Plush Flannel Pajamas. This is a replacement belt for your bathrobe. It's made of soft plush flannel, making it comfortable to wear. This belt is designed to replace your old or lost one. It's a simple solution to keep your robe secure and stylish. The belt is crafted from high-quality, soft plush flannel. It feels great against your skin and adds a touch of luxury to your loungewear. It measures 67 inches long and 1.57 inches wide. This size is suitable for most bathrobes, ensuring a perfect fit. Replacing the belt is easy. Simply thread it through the loops of your bathrobe, and you're good to go. It's a quick and convenient fix. What we like? This belt is made of soft plush flannel, ensuring a comfortable feel. It's designed for easy tying, providing a secure fit. If you are looking for a belt that is both comfortable and easy to use, you should consider this one. What people say. Useful robe sash. The belt did the job perfectly, and the project has been a grand success. Super soft and easily matches to the robe that I have. Number 2. BW09 Black Silk Sash Belt. This beautiful sash belt is perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any dress or robe. It's made from high-quality satin, ensuring a luxurious feel and look. This accessory will surely elevate your outfit. Whether you're dressing up for a special occasion or simply relaxing at home, This belt is a versatile addition to your wardrobe. It can cinch your waist and create a flattering silhouette. It's the perfect finishing touch. The classic black color makes it easy to pair with any outfit. The silk material adds a touch of sophistication. This belt is a timeless piece that you'll love for years to come. It's also ideal as a tie for your bathrobe, providing both comfort and style. It's soft against the skin and adds a touch of luxury to your daily routine. This is a must-have item. Upgrade your style with the BW09 Sash belt. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your look. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This belt is crafted from satin, offering an elegant look. It's perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to your robe. If you are looking for a belt to elevate your style, especially for special occasions, you should consider it. What people say. Replacement for a satin robe sash that had gone missing. Sufficiently large and fine material. I was able to find a replacement on Amazon, and now it's perfect. It was exactly what you would want to expect for a robe belt. Perfect texture, length, and fits with no issues whatsoever. Number 1. Satin ribbon belt for wedding dress, black. This beautiful satin ribbon belt is perfect for adding a touch of elegance. It's designed to complement any wedding dress or special occasion outfit. Made from high-quality satin, the belt feels luxurious and drapes beautifully. The smooth texture adds a sophisticated touch to any ensemble. The belt measures 180 centimeters in length and 6 centimeters in width, offering a flattering fit for most. You can easily tie a bow to create a customized look. This belt is incredibly versatile and can be worn with various outfits. It's ideal for weddings, parties, and other special events. Easily add this belt to your evening dress, party dress, or prom dress. It's the perfect accessory to elevate your style and make you feel confident. What we like. This belt is a satin ribbon, offering versatility for various outfits. It can be easily added to your evening dress or party dress. If you are looking for a belt that can be used for multiple purposes, especially for formal events, you should consider it. What people say. Perfect understated sash. The belt is quality fabric and was well made. Soft and silky with nice thickness. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.